So we're entering the province of Sarangani, so boundary of Jensan and Sarangani. Right side, papasok yung mga paragliding. This side na, kanina paakyat. Nakita sa mountain pala, yung develop na pala yung mga, what do you call that?
Roads.
This is the paragliding area of Sarangani. Yan na bundok na yan. Develop also. Palimbang is 107 kilometers. So yung papuntang Libak, Palimbang, dito na sa dumadaan because of improved peace and order saka yung infrastructure. So very few incidents, practically walang incidents so far the last 5 years. So they have mass inspection here. This is checkpoint. So we're right now in the municipality of Maasim. Ano bang Maasim known for? Anong major na? Yung energy, no? Dito?
Energy.
Yung coal, no? Coal powered plant. Yung biggest na investor dito is
A lot of limestone on the mountains. They have also resorts here.
also
Pacquiao Magman Resort is also here.
yung lighting nila. So
Yeah, that's the in
Transmission
preparation for transmitting, distributing the power that they source out from the hydro.
ganda magagawa. They have the power lines, then sa ilalim yung ilaw. One side lang. Okay. Sabihin. Solar powered, no? Yung iba nila. Street lights. All solar. Power.
Having transmission lines.
BG. I think sabi nila kan Boyet na maganda resort daw. Puntahan. BG Resort.
Lapis industrial zones.
Compare dun sa Dolores.
Okay. Yep, let's try it when it's not hot.
Transmission lines, no? Taas.
Yeah. So many transmission lines.
This area na ang kuwan nila, ang highway nila is complete na. So far magandang paggawa.
Daming transmission lines.
3 minutes okay na.
It's ready to, but let's go to the